Hello everybody, did you know the text on curve command? Let's take a look. Text on curve allows us to create text on any curve. We click on the text on curve command and select a curve. We have multiple options. By default the text is solid. But we can modify the thickness and work with curves. We can also modify the fonts. Two shapes to text all the fonts that you have installed on your computer, for example Sacramento. We can also modify the style and alignment. We can set the position. The Justify mode adapts the text to the entire length of the curve. We can modify the vertical alignment at the top, in the center, or at the bottom. In this case, the letters are turned downwards. We can mirror in both directions. We can modify the text height and spacing if we want to separate or join the letters. At any time, if we modify the curve, the text will adapt automatically. Apply a text on a 3D curve is exactly the same. Select the curve. Modify the original alignment to the center. Mirror the first option and move along the z-axis. In this case -0.5 millimeters. Also, we can add the metal alloy. Excellent, just click on the Confirm button. Now click on Boolean difference. Select the ring, press Enter. Then the text, and press Enter. That's all. Thanks for watching.